Is that Flip's Mercedes? Whoa.
Flip.
Flip it.
What are you doing to Michael's shoe? Flip. Come on, Flip.
Just don't poop in it.
Flip.
You pooped the one day on my green jacket, and Julie goes, "Well, it just blends in." You did the green.
There you go. Hey, Flip. Flip. Flip the bird. Flip the bird. Flip. Flip, 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 flip.
So we didn't see Sandy out at all again.
Who?
Sandy.
You guy?
Oh no, that old perverted guy. Where has he been? Although if I put this on YouTube, he can find that out that we're saying that.
Guy?
Yeah, the guy who's just, nice guy.
He's a very nice guy. I think he's just extremely well put.
Pervert. Nice guy.
I think Sandy really
Pervert.
likes.
Pervert. Pervert.
Mark's down for the count.
Is he?
Pervert.
Look at him, look.
Is he asleep?
Look at him.
Don't you fall asleep on Birdwatch? What if Noah comes in? Did he fall asleep? Like, seriously.
Yeah.
Be a snack.
You can have a snack.
I'm still taking a video. Should I get your belly?
This is so much food. It's like, now what do you do? Look at it all. There's so much
Flip, turn around. Flip. Stop eating Michael's shoelace. Turn around. Turn
You
around.
can have it.
Whoop, whoop. Flip. Flip, 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 flip,
Michael's
flip.
not attached to those.
I know. Kills you.
Happy New Year, Flip. Come on, Flip. Say Happy New Year.
Says Happy New Year to you too, Joe. Yay, Jojo.
Flip.
Flip, flip, flip.
It's like, these are delicious shoelaces.
Is he standing on your head, John, honey?
No, it's on the floor. All right, say bye. Happy New Year, Flip. Happy 2012.
Do you know what? I wrote